Hi everybody, this is Ellen from Somerville Public Library. Today we're going to make a honey quinoa salad with cherries and cashews. I've never made it before, but it sounded good, so let's give it a shot. So this is what you need. This is quinoa. It's a grain that's native to South America. I haven't used it before. The first instruction is to cook this up, and this is what it looks like after you cook it. The directions are there on the recipe. The other ingredients you need are honey, ginger, white vinegar. Says lime juice. I don't care for lime, so I'm using lemon juice. Garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil, some dark sweet cherries that you cut in half and take the pits out, coarsely chopped cashews, dried apricots sliced into little pieces, thinly sliced red onion, and some lettuce. So I'm going to make the dressing. We start with 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 kind of hard to get this out. Okay, 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger. I'm not using the fresh ginger root. I'm using this stuff I showed you last time that they make garlic that is like this too. It is fresh. It comes in a tube. It saves you a lot of chopping. So we'll put in 2. Seems like a lot of ginger. Very spicy. Let me just get the last bit out of here. Okay. 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. And 2 tablespoons of, the recipe says lime juice, and like I said, I'm using lemon. I don't know, lime gives me a weird headache, so I'm going to use lemon instead, so I like it better. Oops. Just try to keep the seeds out of there. That's kind of a rough measurement, but that's about 2 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon of garlic. 1 clove of garlic. Again, I'm using this stuff that you can get in the produce section of your grocery store. And in my opinion, it tastes better than the granulated garlic that they also sell in the produce section. And then 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. I'm going to whisk that together. And then I have 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm just going to mix that in, add it slowly. And that's the honey vinaigrette that's going to be the dressing for this salad. Okay, now we're going to put it all together. We've got our cooked quinoa, cherries, apricots, cashews. I'll save a little to garnish the top. Red onion. And toss all that together with about half of the dressing. We'll save the other half to serve with the salad. Toss it all together. Now the recipe says from here you're supposed to tear up the lettuce and put it in there with the other stuff. You can do that if you want. To me, it honestly, it sounds a little bit weird. So what I'm gonna do instead is put some lettuce on the plate and pile the salad on top of it. This lettuce was grown right at the Somerville Public Library in the little garden we have at the Central Library on the Walnut Street side of the building. You should go and take a look at it. So here, this is awkward. I'm just gonna spoon some of it on top of the lettuce. And we'll garnish the top with some more of these chopped cashews and serve it with more of the dressing on the side. And that's it. So this is Ellen from Somerville Public Library saying goodbye, and it's goodbye for a while. This is going to be the last cooking demonstration for the time being. I have some vacation and my cameraman has some other obligations as well. So maybe we'll be back around Thanksgiving for do some more cooking demonstrations, but for now it's been a pleasure, and have a great rest of the summer. Bye-bye.